We at the Juicy Crab. We at the Juicy Crab. Finna get a bag. Get some shrimp, corn, some potatoes, and you know.
What you say?
Oh, you know what?
What flavor did we get? We got medium.
Medium juicy special.
I don't know if you've ever ordered from like hot and juicy crawfish or juicy crab, but their sauces are pretty spicy. Like, we got a medium, and the medium will have your mouth.
That was sweating. Dad was sweating.
Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and today we are doing a mukbang featuring my little sister and my mom in the corner, but you know. So today we ordered food from Juicy Crab. We got a pound and a half of shrimp, sausage, corn, potatoes, and crab legs. So, you know, the camera.
How long are we into this video? And our hands are already been like 2 minutes.
Okay, so at Juicy Crab, you can pretty much order a variety of seafood. You can get a half a pound to up to however many pounds you want. Shrimp, crawfish, mussels, oysters, scallops, crab legs. You can get hush puppies, you can get extra corn, you can get extra sausage, potatoes, and they come in like different spice measurements. Heat levels. Butter.
Can't you get like different flavors like garlic?
You can get like what's it called?
Garlic butter, Cajun.
You can get garlic butter, Cajun. You can get lemon pepper. Or the Juicy Special, which is all of them mixed together. And honestly, I think that's the best one. I don't think I would be as satisfied if I were to get like one flavor. I don't think it would be as good. I don't know. That scared me. Okay, so let me tell you guys about Volcano Bay and my traumatic experience.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, my battery died. So I went to Volcano Bay about earlier this week. And there's this ride. Okay, and what it does, it was called the body dropper, something like that. So it was a 30-foot drop, right?
Tell me where it works.
So you get inside the ride. Okay, so by the way, this ride's at Volcano Bay in Orlando. So you get inside.
How do you get to it?
Mom, let me stop. How do you get to it?
You gotta build up.
Okay, so first of all,
Because then the parents are annoying in YouTube videos.
First of all, and the children, right? Yeah. So the ride is at the top of the volcano. So first of all, it's a long behind walk to the top of the volcano. So you get up there, and the whole time you hear people screaming to their death. Right. So, oh snap. So you finally get to the top, right? So we get to see how you get inside the ride. So pretty much you get inside, there's like this automatic sliding door that the operator pushes the button on to close you in. And underneath you is a platform, right? So when you get inside, they tell you to cross your arms, cross your legs, you know, like this. And the man asks you, are you okay? He gives you the thumbs up, then he pushes the button, and then the platform drops from underneath you, and you just, you know, you're swimming away. Honestly, the whole time, that was the longest ride. It was fast, like the acceleration was very fast, but it was a very long ride, and it was very scary. And like when I opened my eyes, y'all, all I could see was like water all around me. Like just water everywhere. All I saw was white. I didn't even see the color of the slide. The slide was blue. I didn't even see the color of the slide. Okay? I didn't even know I came out the slide because it was that traumatic. All I saw was the water rushing everywhere. So that was very traumatic. Then later that night, I had flashbacks of me on the ride. I couldn't breathe. It was just a lot. So that was that. So if y'all ever go to Volcano Bay, you know, I'm warning you now. You can go on that ride, but
You at your own risk.
yeah, you're not making out alive.
If you have heart issues.
Yeah, high blood pressure. You expecting a baby, anything like that, I wouldn't suggest it. Bad anxiety.
You breathe.
Have to drink water. Zephyr Hill specifically. Is that made by Coke or something?
Johnny's a Coke product.
That's why it's so nice.
Which do you guys prefer, Coke or Pepsi?
Comment down
Coke.
But Coke, honestly,
For not being a Coke or Pepsi person, all kind of just taste the same. I can see where you think it's different because one is like kind of more cherry, like.
No, Pepsi's just weak.
Okay.
Pepsi's sweeter than Coke. It's
It's don't have as much.
fuzz.
Like the fizz
sizzle.
doesn't last as long.
At all.
I don't know.
And you have we're on the way to where?
Juicy
Juicy Crab.
yesterday.
Yesterday, we're going from the town center. Like, no, we're hungry now, so let's go to Juicy Crab. So we're turning around, right, to go back on the highway to go back to Juicy Crab.
Give me remnants.
So pretty much what happens is, after I'm at the U-turn, my car starts like, you know, accelerating, de-accelerating. It won't constantly, you know, accelerate. So then, boom, my battery light comes on. Okay, so like a few weeks ago, my battery did die. Actually, we had to have someone come jump start it. I had some cylinders replaced, you know, the whole shebang. So, AAA come out. They told my car to, you know, to a Volkswagen dealership. And they told me my car's not gonna be ready until when?
Monday. So I'm tell you what's wrong with it.
So my mom's about to tell me what's wrong with it. You guys are about to figure out as well. Continue.
Something going on.
Oh man. So if y'all have a Volkswagen CC, any types of Volkswagen Jetta, Passat, or whatever, let me know if y'all have these same problems so we can write a Volkswagen a nice little letter saying, you know, stop messing with our cars, man.
But you know,
I've had enough. I've had enough. I've truly had enough. The best car I've ever owned.
and the things that are going wrong with it is that people have fixed them and then done dumb stuff.
Exactly.
Like, how you gonna leave a wrench?
Y'all about to watch me struggle to open this crab.
No, can you even sing in this or you're gonna get copyrighted or whatever?
Oh, you can say, I just said a few words. No, you're not using music.
But some YouTubers say even like singing a song about the actual song playing is still like,
I
they
just
still
said,
send you the copyright.
I said 2 words. How do you know? Did you read?
I don't read, I just have to
Did you
listen
read
and
the
watch the
YouTube
person
rules?
saying it.
Yes.
Yes, I have a YouTube channel of my own.
Uh-oh, your cheeks are burned.
No, they're not.
They're red.
But I don't feel it.
Right here. You don't feel it yet. You don't feel it today. See, right there.
My cheeks are not burnt.
Right where it was red.
The sun was barely even out and I put a
It doesn't matter.
I put like 4 layers of sunscreen
It
on.
doesn't matter. The sun bounces off of the skin. The rays.
I drink
Yeah.
water a lot because
Okay.
but the sun was okay, whatever. Are you mad?
No, I'm just telling you.
As long as
So when you wake up in the morning and you got mommy, my cheeks are burned. Okay.
it was like 11 o'clock at night, I walked into the kitchen like, Mom, my cheeks are burnt.
Because they're red. You gonna crack a tooth.
That's why I don't like doing this.
Which way did you do it?
Both ways.
Do it like on the flat side. Like don't do it with the ridge up.
I got it.
Well, it's because I'm hot.
What?
My
Hot.
cheeks are red.
Oh, you're hot. Is that what it
I
is?
mean, I don't know.
No. Oh Lord.
Ooh, I got the meat out. Hey.
It right there. Can you see it?
No.
Right here. Look, turn around.
At the very top, yeah.
Right there. That's what.
And we never announced the sauce. What is this?
That's tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce with the hush puppies.
Who likes tartar sauce? Yay or nay? Comment below. Ranch, I prefer blue cheese. A lot of people don't know, ranch is a recently made invention. It's man-made. Blue cheese is real. It comes from the earth. It's better to eat than ranch.
No earth.
You know what I mean?
It's milk.
Earth made. It's earthly made.
It's not earth. It's from a cow.
Exactly. The cow life. The earth. You know what I mean? It's not made in a machine. If you guys could go anywhere in the world, would you go to Japan or would you go to Thailand?
Or Africa.
No, this is the either or thing, Mom. Oh, what can you do this? Would you go to Thailand or Japan? I would go to Thailand.
Why?
They have good food. Oh yeah, the food I think is better. The cuisine and the culture, I think I would enjoy more.
Yeah, actually, Dad went to Japan.
I don't think I would care for Japan.
He didn't particularly care
culture.
for the cuisine. Yeah. But it's so modernized. I'm sure you could get. There's lots of Western food to eat.
Would y'all rather live in Los Angeles or Dallas, Texas? I mean,
if you're not trying to be like.
first of all, I live in Dallas, Texas because the cost of living in LA is way too high.
That's what I was gonna say.
For us common folks. I'm not a common folks, but you know.
No, people that live in LA say they don't like it.
Really?
Or like where they live, like they'd rather live somewhere else.
I just feel like, I don't know.
I'm just here to pursue my dreams.
I think it's a place like you gotta go. You know, put it on your bucket list.
Yeah, I don't know if I would live there, but I would most definitely go to visit, vacation, whatever. Go to Disney. That's not in LA, but. Okay.
Yeah. So what if it was better for your
Career.
No saying,
yeah.
Your brand or whatever.
Yeah. I don't know. I just feel like everything is small. Like living accommodations, everything is tiny.
Everything's expensive. Like the food, everything, the
Everything
water.
else. Yeah.
It's that
I watched a YouTube video, and these people who were like, they're like joking and they're like helping this girl like move to LA, and they're like, what car did you drive? And she's like, I have a Subaru, and they're like, you need to get a car that's at least $100,000 value price. That's funny.
Subaru?
Yeah.
Why Mitsubishi?
I think image is very. People very.
You at least need $100,000 car.
In LA.
Yeah, for sure.
I think people try to live maybe a healthier type of lifestyle because
I know, so I feel like in LA people eat a lot more like vegan, vegetarian.
Because image is, you know, important. And
you want to be trendy. You want to be like everybody eating all the nice, fancy, healthy stuff.
like kale.
lettuce.
They don't like it.
Quinoa bowls. What's quinoa bowls? Kale quinoa bowls.
Quinoa.
You don't like it.
I like quinoa. So you don't like it?
So then they don't like it, or they don't like throwing it out.
Kale quinoa. Hello. How many ways can I say that I need you? It's true.
But then I think people they just want to be healthy. You know?
Yeah. I heard In-N-Out and all that.
Oh.
There's nothing else.
I mean, I wouldn't like it because all the stuff, I would just get a plain.
I feel plain, right? I don't know that extra stuff.
So I feel like trying it.
Oh, you got until you.
I want plain.
There's no reason for you guys to go to a hamburger place because you're not gonna get anything but bread and meat.
Depends on the the burger part, the patty.
Maybe I like barbecue sauce or green mustard on it. Maybe some bacon.
Oh, I forgot the cheese.
Yeah. Duh. No, they're like
That's a boring burger.
a burger with like animal fries. What is that?
Animal?
I mean, not a burger like animal style. Something like that.
I think it's a lot for like an animal.
Wow. Well, guys, I'm full. This was my first mukbang ever. Desmond for the longest time has been like, ooh, mukbang, let's watch a mukbang. And the first one I watched, I thought it was stupid, but I mean, this was kind of fun. This is just like you sitting down eating dinner with us.
Look with your family.
Yeah. Even though you're not in the frame, but look with your family. Mine is dad.
Oh, you want your corn?
No, I don't want more.
Corn, please.
Thank you. So yeah. Like I think I don't know, what do
We didn't do it like a big one.
if we had like plastic, we laid it all out on the table, it would have looked bigger.
Yeah. But you can do small to medium to large mukbangs, right?
No, big is the only way to go.
Big is better.
This one we got pizzas, we got breadsticks, we got chicken sausage, we got desserts, we got
Oh my
chicken.
god, that's too much.
That's what it is.
That's too much.
Okay, then don't be a part of it.
Don't eat it. That's true.
Mukbang hater.
My nose right now. This isn't even the spiciest flavor. They have spicier flavors, but this is enough. And I like spicy food.
You gotta be able to enjoy it. You don't want to be wiping sweat from your forehead.
But guys, my memory card's about to run out again, so this is the end of our mukbang. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I might make another one in the near future. Don't know.
Christmas, Thanksgiving mukbang.
Thanksgiving, Christmas, autumn holidays.